Sinky. Are you eating lunch? What are you eating? Is that some chicken? Do you like to stuff it all in your mouth? When you love your peas. Who needs to chew and swallow when you can just shove? Right, Bubby? What happened to your watermelon? Did you drop it? I know, Daddy's doing something outside and it's super exciting. There's your watermelon. This is thrilling footage. Say bye, give me 5. Yeah! How old are you? I don't know. You're almost 11 months. That's how old you are. Uh-oh. Good catch. Get the watermelon. Good stuff. Ooh, found something else in there. Might as well eat that too.